Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add an email address to Zelle so you can send and receive money using another contact method. To get started, open your bank's mobile app or the Zelle app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Zelle section. Next, tap on Settings or Profile, depending on the app you're using. Look for an option that says Contact Methods, Email, or Phone Numbers. Select the option to add a new email address. Enter the email address you want to use with Zelle, then confirm it. Zelle will send a verification code or confirmation link to that email address. Open your email, follow the instructions, and verify the address to finish adding it. Once verified, the email address will be linked to your Zelle profile. You can now use it to send or receive money, and others can pay you using that email instead of your phone number. If you want, you can also choose which email or phone number is your primary contact for Zelle payments in the settings. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you add an email to Zelle, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.